Hey guys, here's some light language to help us shift into our new realities as Saturn and Jupiter leave Capricorn and move into Aquarius. So using the amazing ocean behind me that is just crashing like crazy, bringing us into these new dimensions and new worlds and new alignments, and remembering that we have to follow our hearts and follow the divine guidance that we all have access to.
Lana kono sono kobayana kobayastana kobayana katarata tasana katrana kobayudina katrata tasana kida satika katrana kotiki sana wow maya somoyo tana sadakia la sofa sakrama payata tasana kobayudina kobayastana stop krana kobayastana maya tana lana ko Ina kana sana yada tasana tasana ko now, Stina lana na kupaya, mata lana na mai. Lana kanai sana koi stana pia paya. Halana na ko sana pia na kana ko pasanaga. Lana kuna sana ko kuda samo. Stana karana ko pia sana kada sakati dada lana na ko. Stiku di sana ko tika. Lata prata ke so ko kita sana ko tika ko. Papakiana ka. Anak kina kilala sana ka. Stana kitenga paya to boy staro ko. Stara ko paya to boy stara krana paya samaya paya to boy na sana paya to lolo mo stana ko paya to stara paya stana kabina sana kitino ko stana ko to so to paya to krana paya stana to paya stana paya to Stringi kino postana kopitana kopa lana ka sabina ka samaka rana ka pai sana kino pai du studu stinu kopo stinu pipina lana kopai stana ka lana kopai kana ka stinu stana lana kada pai Lana kapai stana kapai lana kapai stana kapai lana kistono sono kapa stana kita stono kapai gala stana kita pas lana kapai stana lana kapai stana kahaya tapo stana kapai stana kahaya lana harap sana Rada kapai stara kapai sama lada kina suku rada sada kana kapai rada suku kapai papa sada kana kapai sada kapai rada sada kana rada kapai sana kapai sana stana wama mataba sana mai kada ka sana kaya karma yana kampai kada sana ka lodo stuna paya tada sana kai be open to these shifts and changes that we're experiencing, because they are bringing new things that can be absolutely amazing, but we have to claim them. We have to claim them within ourselves. Feel the change, feel the energy that is directing you into these new alignments that are so powerful. The energy is trying to show you where you should be going. Where is your heart telling you should be going? Listen to that energy, listen to the directions, listen to the signs, all the different ways that they can be coming through for you. All the different ways, there's so many different ways. What is your heart saying? What is the universe saying? What is the divine guidance saying to you? Where do you feel the most energy backing you?
Get in that jet stream of energy. Just slip into it and trust that process. Trust where it's taking you. Because if we resist it at this time, it's going to get really turbulent. It's probably a bit turbulent anyway, because it's change, and change is turbulent. But at least if you get in that jet stream of alignment, if you hop on board this train, things can go a lot smoother for you, and you can be out ahead of the game rather than running, trying to catch up, or trying to figure out how to break in to what's already happening. So be with yourself, meditate, do your practices, check in with your heart and discover what it is that you need to do that allows you to feel that really positive force that is occurring around us. The water's coming up pretty high. Get ready for some fun. I love you guys.